In this lab, we will be investigating the Big Bang Theory. We will see how the universe is expanding and test with a balloon to see if that theory holds true. For this lab, you will need a marker, a balloon, a ruler, and a piece of string. You will also need at least one other person to help you. You can have a group of 3 or 4 as well, but you need at least one other person. The first thing you want to do is blow up your balloon a little bit. You don't want to blow up your balloon the entire way. You only want to blow it up a little bit, and you don't want to tie it. I'm going to give the balloon to my assistant, and then you want to put 4 dots on your balloon. You want to space them out. And then you want to mark them with the letter H, the letter A, the letter B, and then the letter C.
Pause the video and put 4 dots on your balloon, labeling them with the letters H, A, B, and C.
After you mark them, you're going to use your string to measure the distance between home, the H spot, and each of the other letters. Since it's a curved surface, you want to use a string and then find the distance using the ruler. So I'm going to start with the letter H and hold the string until I get to the letter A, and then use the ruler to find the distance of how long it is from H to A. Once I find the distance from H to A, I'm then going to record it on my paper. Make sure you use centimeters and not inches. After you record the distance from H to A, repeat this doing H to B and H to C. This is for trial 1. After you've completed this, you want to take the balloon and inflate it by about 2 inches. So now it should have grown a little bit more, and you want to repeat the measuring process. Once again, you're going to measure from the letter H to the letter A, record the distance using your ruler in centimeters, and write the distance on your paper. Repeat this process from H to B and H to C. You will then inflate the balloon one last time. After you've inflated the balloon the 3rd time, you will then measure from the letter H to the letter A one more time. Use the ruler to record your distance in centimeters, and make sure you write it on your paper as well in centimeters. After you do H or home to A, you want to do home to B and home to C. After you recorded all your data and your information, make sure you answer the 2 questions. How did the distance between the dots change as the balloon increased in size?
How does the distance change between the dots?
What does this tell you about the Earth and the universe? Is it expanding? Is it shrinking?
What does this tell you about the Earth and the universe?
How did the dots farther or closer change? Which one changed more?
Which dots changed more? The ones closer or those further away?
Think about this and all these questions as you answer your questions on your Big Bang Theory worksheet.